Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows boot error code 0xc0000098 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a checklist scan. So search for command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, type the command chkdsk /r/f, press Y and hit enter to start the checklist scan. The last solution is to rebuild the BCD. Now we have three commands for you. Simply copy them, search for command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, paste these here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.